My hair is going to be a mess today. That is no joke. My hair is going to be a mess today because I'm going to do a like clean and decorate with me video today. And I just wanted to do some like quick holiday makeup, and then we're going to get into the clean and decorate with me. So that's why my hair is up. That's why it's a mess. If you guys hadn't noticed, I do have my Christmas background up. I did feature it in my Grinch video. If you guys haven't seen that one, go check it out. But we're going to be doing a clean and decorate video today, and I'm just going to do a quick do my makeup. This is how I do my makeup on days when I'm working, when I'm editing, all that kind of stuff. So let's get into this video. I got a new brush on the TikTok shop, and this literally looks like the BK Beauty brush that is like going viral, and it is super soft. But I have a feeling this is going to be amazing for like different products. So like blush, cream bronzer, and also foundation. So we're going to put on my foundation first. The makeup is done. This is just an everyday, really quick makeup look. Now let's get into cleaning and decorating. So the first thing I'm gonna do is turn on a Christmas fireplace because I am obsessed with Christmas fireplaces. As you can see, I still have some of my Halloween stuff out, and like my fall stuff. Like, I'm ready to change this up and get into Christmas. I absolutely love these videos. If you just search like Christmas fireplace, like you can find them. They're so relaxing. So my entryway is the first room that we are going to be like redecorating. So we have leaves that go all the way up the stairs. I do have some things coming from Hobby Lobby, and then I do have my kids' calm down area. So I do want to I have to redo all of this. And then we also have some fall stuff here with this picture. So let's get started with the cleaning.
Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, da 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 da, oh, 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 da 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 da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody.
Kids Calm Down is done. So I have some sensory books down here for my daughter, a nice sitting area for her, some blankets. There are some weighted blankets in here for her too. Just a cozy little nook. Next, let's clean this up. Let's get it ready for Christmas.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about it.
I've got a mistletoe in my hand, and the boys are lining up for my kisses all for one special guy. He's a dreamboat of a man, my own sweet buttercup. I'm just so revved up by his presence. So let this mistletoe moment be that brand new start. Let this mistletoe moment fuse together two Christmas hearts. Let this mistletoe moment give me everything I want. I'm not sure he even knows my name, but that we will remedy. Right here by the Christmas tree is where I'll hold my breath.
Just something super simple. I just want my entryway to be like as clean as possible. Now, let's get to the stairs. It's very clean, very inviting. I don't have all my Christmas stuff out yet. I do have some other things that I put on here, but I love, I got this at Hobby Lobby, and I got this one at Hobby Lobby, and this like garland I got on eBay. So I really like the way it looks with like the side and the twinkly lights. I think that's gorgeous.
Let this mistletoe moment give me everything I want.
So I just took down all of the leaves and turned on the light so you guys can see. Look at all that. It literally looks like I had a tree just like V-leaf. Holy cow.
So let this mistletoe moment be that brand new start.
entry looks like now. A lot more tidy. It's getting Christmassy in here.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow failed. I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not going away. And right around the mistletoe, I'm gonna let my feelings show. Always got you on my mind, but I know this time you're on top of my list. Only wish. And as we decorate the tree, only you and me, I'll be making plans, make you understand.
If you take away
Tiger's helping me.
from 5 English word. Can we send a video?
Yeah, I am. What do you think?
It's good, Mom.
You like it?
Hey, Nana, do you like it?
So what are you asking, Nana?
If you want to subscribe, you can.
That's so pretty, Claire.
Thanks.
We have to finish this right here.
Oh, yeah, we
But
don't do it.
other than that, it looks really good.
I've told lies. I can only hope that Santa Claus and my records agree. Then maybe this year Santa's coming home to me. I have found the perfect tree and dressed it to the nines. I've even made little gingerbread Santas. There's nothing left to chance. This year, Santa's coming home to me. There's a rumor spreading all over town, but of course it's not true. They say Santa ain't coming around. Trust me, I'm waiting